Here I have UMIDIGI F1, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list. And what you have to do next is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for about a second, and that's how you take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume up, volume down, and screenshot will be taken. You can also take screenshot by just holding power key, and after this turn off menu appears, here you have this button screenshot, and it works the same way. You can find your screenshots in photos here at the screenshots section, and from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.